Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my subscription box from Janesagenda, and this is the December subscription box. And when you open it, it has such pretty tissue paper. First, it comes with a journaling card that you can put in your planner for December, and it tells you everything that you get. So it says holiday wishes, and then they have the Christmas tree tissue paper, and I'm almost able to get it off without ripping it. There we go. So let me take everything out. I'm going to save that tissue paper. And I get all of my things for my personal sized rings planner. So the first thing that we get, oh, isn't this so cute? 3-piece quote card set and a green tree clip. So you get a green, kind of metallic Christmas tree clip, and then you get 3 quote cards. It says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." Super cute. And then this one says, "I am under no obligation to make sense to you." And then this one is, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." And that's a quote by Winston Churchill. And so we got our 3 little quote cards and our Christmas tree. I want to see something, if it sticks out of my planner very much, and it doesn't. How cute is that? Super cute. So then we have the black and red page marker tabs. I love that they've added some red into the planner. So you just put these on the top of your page wherever you would like to mark it, and then as you're opening your planner, you can open it to the correct page. And then we have a hybrid dashboard, and it says the present. So let's look at this. This is good, sturdy one. So this one says, it says the present. Oh, so like today, the present. 'Twas the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, and then it goes on down, but it is covered by the Christmas trees. So super pretty. And then we get a translucent dashboard with white ink, snowflakes, and the fur. Oh, I see. So here is the, you can put it on anything that you wanted, but let's do it this way. That way you can see the snowflakes and the sprigs. So that's really pretty. And then 2-piece decorative dashboard set, which is snowy Switzerland and a winter scene. I don't know which, I would say this is Switzerland. And it looked really pretty with this over it. I kind of like that too. And here is the winter scene. I think I'm going to do mine like that. Super pretty. So we got our dashboards. And then we have At a Glance Dashboards 2023 Calendar and Holidays. So you get a year at a glance. And then you get, so here's the year at a glance. Mine's kind of off-centered a little bit there. And then on the back side, you get all of the holidays for 2023. And then you get, it says you can put your name and your phone and email in case of an emergency. And then on the inside, you get a, you have a numbered for each month. And so you can put in something in there. It's pretty small. I would just like keep birthdays on it or something. So you get that. Oh, this is the planner insert pack. So you get the year at a glance there, and then you get if lost, to call, and then you get your where you can keep like your birthdays, and then you get quarterly goal setting. So you get quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. And then you get, oh, this still goes with the goal planning. Oh, this is a quarterly planner, is what this is. I want to tell you the right things. So you can, for each quarter, you can write down your projects or your big tasks, the date that they're due, important events, and then you have a spot for notes and notes on the back as well. So you get that for each quarter. I don't know about you, but I'm not a big quarterly planner myself. I'm just a day-to-day, month-to-month kind of planner. And then you get to write down your ideal day, like what you would get done at certain times. So you get your ideal day from midnight to 11:30. And I guess you get 2 of those. And then you get an insert for books to read. Books you want to read. Then you get one, shows and movies to watch. And then level 10 life tracker. And I have no idea about the level 10 life tracker, so I'll have to read up about that. But I like this quote. Finish each day and be done with it. You have done what you could. Some blunders and absurdities no doubt crept in. Forget them as soon as you can. Tomorrow's a new day. Begin it well and serenely, and with too high a spirit to be encumbered with your old nonsense. Ralph Waldo Emerson. I really like that. So we get that little planner insert. And then we get a planner pocket. So you get like a little folder to go into your planner. And then you get black plastic tabbed dividers. And these correspond, I believe, with every month. 1 through 12. So you have one for every month. I'm going to access these because I don't have ones like this. So definitely going to be using these tabs. Tabbed dividers, I guess I should say. And they're very sturdy. Sturdy plastic. Now that will add some bulk to my planner, so, but I'm going to use those. I need those. So that is my subscription box from Jane's Agenda for this month. And this one is for December. A lot of good inserts, page markers. Love the Christmas tree. So now I have to set up my planner for Christmas and for the new year. So I hope everyone has a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.